All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of shoes, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Hello by Pop Smoke and A Boogie, and this is their best collab, man. Foreigner, like, obvious, that was kind of a flop. I'm not even gonna lie, because of A Boogie's part. Obviously Pop Smoke killed it on both songs, but this one is so much more better because A Boogie actually did good on this one, so you guys should definitely go listen to it. Obviously Pop Smoke had like one of the biggest albums this year, so amazing song. Go listen to it, and let's actually take a look at the pair of shoes. Okay, so this is the shoe box, and obviously we're taking a look at the Union 4s. I was able to get the off Noir colorway on Sneakers app for retail. I was so fucking hyped, man. When I got that Gotham screen, man, that's like one of the best feelings, like getting that Gotham screen on a pair you really want. That was awesome. Obviously we got that Union Jumpman size 9. Retail was $250. I ended up paying $275 after tax and shipping. So, you know, I was mad hyped. I don't even care how much they cost because they're going for like $750 to $650, I believe, depending on what size. So I was just extremely hyped to be able to get these for retail, and I haven't seen them yet, so let's actually take a look at them. Obviously that unique box, and this is actually a picture of Michael Jordan like doing a couple signatures. I'll put up the full picture on the screen. It's a really cool picture, so I'm glad that they actually did something different with the box and with like the paper, just something extra cool. And man, these are so fire, bro. At first I did not like them, I'm not gonna lie. I totally flipped on these, but it wasn't until I saw like a video up close of them I changed my mind, man. Like, these are definitely one of the best sneakers to release this year. Like, they're just so good, man. Like, look at them. I also want to say, in person, like, this isn't as yellow. It looks really bright in like some pictures, but it's not as yellow as you would think. Let me know if you guys were able to pick this shoe up. Man, oh, it's just a super clean shoe. I know there's like a lot of mixed opinions on it because of this one thing right here, the tongue. And as you can see, the tongue is folded, and you can see the little union at the bottom right there. And you can actually cut that stitching and make it into a regular Jordan tongue, or you could just pull it, I believe, through here, and you should be able to, you know, unstitch it. But I'm not gonna do that because that's a lot of work. I'm scared I'm gonna fuck it up, and I kind of like them just like this, to be honest, so I'm not gonna do that. It comes with a little Jordan hang tag that says Union. Pretty cool. Material wise, you know, it's a Union, man. Pretty good materials, I'm not gonna lie. Sock liner, nice and soft. This is like, I don't know, kind of like a nubuck material. It's pretty good. Like a little mesh material right here, which I've never seen on a Jordan before, so it's pretty cool. You know, it's not gonna like rip or anything, it's fine. And one of my favorite parts has to be this white part right here, like the white netting with the white little like Jordan tags right there. I don't even know what they're called, but it just looks so clean, man. Oh, I have like some dirt or something on my shoe, whatever. Like, that part just looks so clean, especially with the white stitching all over. Like, this shoe is so fire, bro. And it comes with extra laces, comes with yellow. Me personally, I'm not gonna wear it with yellow laces, but they are there if you do want them. On the insole, it just says Union with the Jumpman. I got a size 9. These do fit true to size. They fit just like every other Jordan 4. So if you wear a size 9 in other Jordan 4s, just get a size 9 in these. And I do want to say one more thing. These will go up. Right now they're going, like I said, for around $650 to $750 depending on your size. I suggest picking them up right now. If not, maybe like a week from now, they might drop down a little bit. But I don't see this being like a $400 shoe or $500 shoe anymore, because I feel like everybody's like switched up and actually wants them. So if you're able to get a pair for retail, great. I doubt most people actually got a pair for retail because I did see a lot of L's. But if you were able to, I suggest holding it for, I would say maybe 6 months to a year, just because this could easily be like a $1,200 shoe in a couple months. Easily. Especially with the other, like the Guava pair. Easily $1,200 shoe, like 100%. And here, let me show you guys the shoe. Nike Air. The only thing I really don't like is the midsole, just because it's all like a yellowed aged. But, you know, it's not the worst thing. It could be a lot worse. Got the little Union LA tag right there. Let me show you guys the tongue. Just like a really dope pair, man. Some people were saying on Twitter, like, maybe it would have been better if they did like this stitching right here on this part, so it would be like the Jordan 1s. I don't know about that, to be honest, just because I don't think it would blend very good, especially with this back tab right here. But I did see some people saying that. I don't know how I feel about that. Let me show you guys the size tag. Size 9. And it's just a really clean pair of shoes, man. Like, definitely one of the best releases of the year for me. And this is my biggest sneaker cop of the year, like for retail. So I was super hyped I was able to get these off Sneakers app. And just an awesome pair, especially since this is my personal pair. I'm not gonna sell these. Even though I know eventually they will be like $1,000, I'm probably not gonna sell them unless I really need the money. But this is just an amazing pair. But make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.